So guys, welcome back to the channel. I got my ignorant wife in the other room talking trash. But anyway, this video is for anyone that uses an A11 or A9 Plus. Now, if you go into the Metro by T-Mobile website, I have it over here. You can see the deals for the two tablets for this little section. They actually will give you the Galaxy Tab A9 5G currently for free. So if you had service for more than 30 days, you can get the tablet on a $20 plan. And you know, if you choose to keep the plan after a certain amount of time, you can cancel it if you want, or you can just keep it. There is a possible, I have to upside down? Okay. There is a possible way for you to actually get a $10 unlimited plan, but that's only if you call customer service. It is not guaranteed that they'll give it to you, so keep that in mind. But yes, you can get this tablet, which is normally, I think it's like $200 and something normally if you buy it straight out. It's, you know, it's reasonable. Now, there is an A11 5G, no, A11 tab or something, A11 plus 5G tablet, same size screen, more memory, better processor. But if you can get this for free, it's not a bad tablet, even in 2026. Now, the main point of this video is that the local Metro by T-Mobile near me got this case. It's a ZIZO case. I like these cases. Cricket sells ZIZO already, but Metro, they kind of just do their own thing with some brand that nobody wants. So they changed distributors in certain locations, and they actually got the case for the A11. So that means they're probably going to get it soon in stores. But even if it doesn't, remember, this is the same size as the A11, practically the same dimensions. I think it is the same. So these tablets work for both each other. That's the interesting part. Because they didn't really have any good tablets for the, what was it called? A9 when it first came out. Those little generic crappy ones with the flat, like my wife got. She in the other room laughing. All right, so you peel this back, of course. That's the one piece right here. And then we have to pop this open where the latches are. I'm only doing this one time because this case is not coming off after this. All right, so two pieces right here. What we want to do, for anyone that never did this before, all right, you match this up where the camera is. So right here, goes in the front, bam. We have the top, we match these two up. Yep, this is at the bottom, it's the top. Wait, did I get it? Oh no, I messed up. I messed up. Did I mess up? Oh no, I think I actually did it right the first time. I did do it right, get out of here. All right, so it didn't look right. All right, so suppose you should trust yourself the first time around. All right, so now that that's closed, just make sure all the ends are snapped shut. There we go. Lastly, we're gonna put this on, and I gotta figure out which way this goes. Okay, this is the bottom because this is where the charger port is right here. So flip that over. Charger port, there we go. Fit this, put it in the grooves. You gotta run your finger around this to make sure that it really goes into the grooves. There we go. Like I said before, once you take this, now one thing I will say is that this does not have a screen protector with it. I kind of wish it did, like a tempered glass, but it doesn't have one. You can get one off of Amazon, but that tempered glass is probably going to come on. You probably have to take this case off in order to put the tempered glass on. But anyway, just fit it in all these slots and grooves right here. There we go. Taking forever, but this is the process that you got to do. Some people can do this a little bit faster, but oh man, it's a workout. Crystal, putting this case on is like going to the gym. And she said she bet that's why she don't want it. Anyway, let me see, make sure I got most of it done. Let's see if I can get this corner correctly. Come on. There we go. So that is the case. This is sealed now. The good thing is that if you look at this case, see if I can get it kind of at an angle. Can't really see the angle too much, but this right here protrudes and sticks up. There we go. So, you know, if it falls face first like that, it's not going to hit the actual screen. As you can see, there's no cracks or where's the power button? Here we go. Is that not a power button? Or is it? I don't know what I'm pressing over here. I'm like, just take us along with the tablet. But yeah, the screen isn't cracked at all. It's pretty good to go. And then if you look at the back, this is how it looks on the back. Now, the interesting part also, is, I didn't notice this at first. This is perfect. It had the built-in kickstand. That was kind of hard to get out. I don't like that. I don't like when they have those, like it's not like you want to break your finger to pop it out, but if you just put your finger in, pull up right here, boom, you got a kickstand built in. Anyway, not a bad case. I did get this from Metro for, I believe it was 20 something, but they sell them for like 50 bucks. So if you go on Amazon and look this up, you can probably get it for dirt cheap. Or there are going to be other cases on Amazon that is really cheap that you can purchase cases if you don't want this ZIZO one. But this one was at the local T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile near me. So it might be near you if you get your tablet, because you want to make sure you protect it. Anyway, like and subscribe like always, guys. If I find it online, I'll put the link in the description. If not, you know, just like I said, go on Amazon. You can find a million cases for this tablet because it's been out for so long. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace. God bless. And I am out.